Do you really need paid courses to get into cybersecurity? Let's talk. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the courses, cybersecurity courses, which are available out there for free, and this will be mostly focused on the defensive side of the cybersecurity. So, let's start. First, we will talk about the intended audience for these courses. So, this course is for aspiring SOC analysts who want to build their career in cybersecurity, security professionals who want to enhance their skill set, IT professionals looking to transition into a cybersecurity role, students and recent graduates who are interested in cybersecurity field. Now we will talk about the prerequisites. What do you need before starting these courses? First, you do not need any prior experience in SOC setting, but if you have, it could be beneficial. Access to a computer and reliable internet connection for completing the coursework and simulations. And lastly, and which is very important, you should be interested in learning more about the defensive cybersecurity. Okay, so this is the first Let's Defend SOC Analyst learning path. What it includes is there are 25 different modules. It starts from the basics, which includes SOC fundamentals, cyber kill chain, MITRE attack framework. Then it takes us to phishing email analysis, detecting web attacks, part 2, investigate web attack, how to investigate a SIM alert, everything, malware analysis, malicious document analysis, network log analysis, incident management, basics of Splunk, cyber threat intelligence, and it also tells us about building a SOC lab at home. And at the end of this course, after you complete all of these modules, you will be getting certificate which will look something like this, and here you will see your name. And yeah, so this was about the SOC analyst learning path by Let's Defend. Next is the Coursera's Cisco Security Operations Center, which is free, and here there are 8 modules, I guess, and it will take around 1 week or 10 to 12 hours to complete, depending on the experience you currently have in cybersecurity. Yeah, so the 8 modules in this course contains the introduction to security operations center, SOC processes and services, what are the different models and types, security events data and SOC analyst tools, developing key relationships with internal and external stakeholders, understanding SOC metrics and SOC workflow and automation. At the end of this course as well, you will get a career certificate which you can showcase in your CV, in your LinkedIn profile. Yeah. Next is the Try Hack Me's SOC level 1. So it contains multiple sections, each 14 section. Each section has 4 to 5 different modules. So it takes from junior security analyst introduction to EDR, SIM, Splunk's basics, pyramid of pain, cyber kill chain, unified kill chain, phishing analysis, network traffic analysis, network security monitoring, web security monitoring, Windows security monitoring, Linux security monitoring, which also includes threat detection, malware concepts for SOC, threat analysis tool, SIM triage for SOC, SOC level 1, capstone challenges. So it also contains some challenges. So yeah, this is about the SOC level 1 by TryHackMe. Next is the Red Team Leaders Foundations of Log Analysis for Cyber Defense. So this is mostly focused on how to perform the log analysis, which is important aspect for SOC analyst. So it contains foundations of log analysis. It contains operating system log analysis, which contains Windows and Linux. And as a SOC analyst, it is very difficult to read a log which comes from Linux. So it covers that as well. Next is the network log analysis, advanced threat hunting with log correlation, final practical assessment and quizzes and labs as well. So this is about the log analysis for cyber defense. And lastly, this is the Splunk's free courses. So I will be adding all the links of these courses in the description of this video. So here for Splunk, you just have to filter it by the free courses content type, and you will get the intro to Splunk using fields, scheduling reports and alerts and everything, and you can click on load more, so it will show you more free courses. So these are the basics of Splunk, and after completing each of this course you will be getting individual certificate. Yeah, so these were few of the many free cybersecurity courses mainly focused on defensive cybersecurity. Okay. Since all of these courses are free and it has no time limit to complete, you can take your time to explore for some time and you can decide what actually matches your interest. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. And if you have any specific topic where you want me to find some free courses on that topic, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.